everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. This time I'm going through unboxing of Logitech G Pro X Superlight wireless gaming mouse in magenta/pink color. This mouse is considered as one of the best mouse in gaming community for year 2022, and you could see on my channel I have already G Pro X Superlight in white color, and I have been comparing it to G502 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse in one of my previous videos, so make sure you open the new tab with the link in top right corner. Now let me open the box, on which we have seen the main features such as light speed, hero sensor, power play wireless charging and super lightweight. And this is the first look, and make sure you hit the like button to help to highlight the video to others who are not aware about such amazing color. Let me take it out of the box and we can review the design. At the bottom we still have cover on our PTFE feed. I'll peel it off later. The shape of the mouse is really nice and pink color just underpins it. The mouse feels even more premium than when I was unboxing the white color one, but now is the time to check the accessories in the box. Under the plastic cover we can see titled Play to Win, and that is exactly one of the reasons why I have purchased this mouse and other peripherals I'm doing unboxing of on this channel. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to not miss my next video about great PC accessories or peripherals. The USB dongle with label Pro X is plugged in within the extension adapter with USB-A connector on one end and micro USB connector on the other end. Now let's have a look into the box with accessories, and first accessory I'm pulling out is the charging cable, which is not fabric braided but classical black rubber braided. On one end we have USB-A connector and on the other end we have micro USB connector with proprietary fork shape. Another accessory is a plastic bag which holds the documentation and optional aperture door or cover with PTFE foot and optional grip tapes. Now let me unwrap the plastic bag so that we can explore it in more detailed view. As mentioned, we have documentation included as well as aperture door with PTFE foot, and this will help you to get more control on mouse by increasing the feet surface and overall resistance by just little bit. There is also cloth wipe for grip tape preparation and optional grip tapes in black color. Then we have Logitech sticker and setup guide for Pro X Superlight and also safety and warranty information. And that would be it from the accessory box. Let's just quickly summarize it. We have charging cable, cloth wipe, grip tapes, optional aperture door, USB dongle with adapter, Logitech sticker, documentation and mouse itself. Now let's do a little bit of the sound test. You could hear that button sound is fairly normal for Omron 20M switches, which are supposed to be less prone to double clicking, no rattling of buttons, but one thing to mention is the crack of the white color, that small black spot on the white scroll wheel, which is caused by the imperfection of the molding process, but every single Logitech G Pro X Superlight has it, so nothing to worry about. In front of the mouse there is a micro USB connector which has a fork type shaped lock, and cable has a special clips to secure the cable while you are charging and using the mouse at the same time. Cable is fairly flexible, but I'm usually charging it overnight when not using the mouse to do not lose the wireless advantage. You can notice I have few mice prepared for comparison in top left corner, so at first let me grab my 1-year-old white colored Logitech G Pro X Superlight and compare it to my new magenta or pink colored Logitech G Pro X Superlight side by side. Obviously these are identical from technical specification and dimensions point of view, but still let's do sound comparison to hear if 1 year of heavy usage makes any sound difference. You could hear that the new Logitech G Pro X Superlight Magenta / Pink has much better sound than one year used white G Pro X. And now let me peel off the cover from the PTFE feed. Now let's compare the PTFE feed between new pink colored G Pro X and 1 year old heavy used white colored G Pro X. And except the dust around the PTFE glides on my old G Pro X, no significant visual difference or deformation on 1 year old G Pro X. Now let me show you how to change the aperture door, under which we have a space to store the wireless dongle, and we can change the door to one with PTFE glide, which is supposed to give you a little bit of more resistance and control. And make sure you hit the subscribe button to see the gliding test on various mousepads such as from Artisan or other top brands. Now let's do comparison between G Pro X Superlight versus Finalmouse Starlight 12 Achille in medium size, and you can check unboxing of that one by opening the new tab with the link in top right corner. I had to increase the volume significantly to hear the scroll wheel sound difference, as both are fairly quiet, and the sound difference of left and right buttons is given mainly by the chassis material difference, as both are using Omron 20M switches. Side buttons on Finalmouse Starlight 12 are slightly bigger, but in terms of the PTFE feed, they are bigger on Logitech G Pro X Superlight. Both of these mice have micro USB connector for charging, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button to check the connector of latest Finalmouse Starlight 12 10Z, which I'll be doing unboxing of in one of my next video. So that was brief visual and sound comparison with Finalmouse Starlight 12, and now let's do very brief comparison with Logitech G502 Lightspeed wireless, which I have been heavily using for gaming in last 2 years. From the size point of view, the G502 is slightly bigger, mainly due to the ergonomic shape, however both are very pleasant to hold in the palm. In sound comparison, we could hear that my 2 years old G502 is little bit rattling, whereas nice build of the G Pro X Superlight is very quiet unless you keep playing with the aperture door. And let's not forget to compare the sound of the side buttons. Side buttons on G502 Lightspeed are a little bit rattling, but again it is 2 years old. So that was the comparison between G502 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse versus G Pro X Superlight wireless gaming mouse. And we can check how the pink colored Logitech G Pro X Superlight Magenta looks next to my mechanical keyboard and on my gaming mousepad with positive vibes. I will be doing more detailed video about the gliding on different types of mousepads, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. And to summarize the features of Logitech G Pro X Superlight Magenta, I like the ultralight weight of 63 grams, the shape is just so friendly for the palm, the color is so unique on the market of black and white mice, and one of the main reasons is that it is very high quality build with top precision Hero 25K sensor and USB report rate of 1000 Hz, in other words 1 millisecond, battery charge for 70 hours of constant motion, and resolution between 100 and 25,000 dpi. In overall, the best mouse in 2022. And until my next video, cheers!